Let me show you in this next video how you can connect your ChatGPT to Photoshop. Now you can now connect your Photoshop to ChatGPT so that you can prompt your designs directly from ChatGPT. And here is how to have it connected. Now click on the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen on ChatGPT, and then click on your profile, and then click on settings. On the settings interface, you'd want to click on apps and connectors, and then you should see a couple of apps that you can have connected to your ChatGPT. Now from the rundown, you'd see Adobe Photoshop right here. You can see Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Express. Alright, so just go ahead and search for Adobe Photoshop, and once you find the app, go ahead and click on it, and then click on connect. On the next interface, go ahead and click on connect. This is going to take you to your Adobe account on the browser, and you'll be required to log into your Adobe account, and once you do that, you can come back to ChatGPT to have it connected. So guys, so there you have it. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.